A Chicago man faces weapons charges after Rockford police say he ran from them. Early Saturday morning, scope officers were called to a home on Blake Street just east of Central. When police arrived, they say 24-year-old Leonard Morrow was walking away from a house. According to investigators, Morrow was carrying a rifle. When officers tried to stop the 24-year-old, police say he dropped the gun and ran. He was arrested a short time later. Officers say they recovered the rifle. Morrow faces charges including unlawful use of weapons by a felon.